Let go. Look at that.
So today we're gonna demo this pipe crimping tool, and the thing about this, it comes with instructions, two 18-volt battery, and adapters. It comes from 1/2 inch all the way to 2 inch. It comes with its charger, with its cable for connection, and it comes with a hanger so you can hang around the tool if you're doing a lot of pipes, you're walking around. The other thing, it comes with its case. The only thing is a little bit heavy, it's over 50 pounds. So, and we're gonna demo. Before that, every time you pull the adapters, the clamps, make sure you sand your pipes real well so the water doesn't leak on you. And we sanded everything. Plumbers and cabinet guys, every time we do a job, we don't got time to be soldering the plumbing, so we got this tool that it clamps it. It's quicker, a lot faster, the new way, instead of the old-fashioned that you gotta do all that work. So with this, we're gonna show you, it has special adapters. It's not like the old ones, so make sure you buy the right ones. And we're gonna show you how to use it. So this is a press machine. It doesn't use any chemicals at all. It just clamps it, it presses it. One other thing, make sure to mark your pipe where it's gonna go in, your adapter. Make sure it goes all the way in, and you make a marking just to make sure that it's in the right place.
Without the battery, as a safety cautions, you put the actual clamp first.
Oh, okay.
This one has a lock, all right, for safety purposes, all right, and a spring. So once you load it up, you just drop it in there, make sure it fits in there, locks in place, and it's ready to use, all right? So that's very important before you actually set up the actual system, if you guys can notice. Look at that. So this is how it's gonna clamp. It's gonna pressurize, clamp the whole system together. Make sure you use your safety glasses and your gloves with it when you're using this alone. It weighs over 10 pounds, almost 20 pounds. So just make sure you have a good fixing. That's what they give you, the actual ribbon, so you can actually hold it on or with on your waist. So the batteries are gonna last you a couple of clamps before you start recharging them. It should last you an entire job that you're gonna do. So let's go ahead and test it out so you guys can see. So when you lock it in place and you put the battery, you're gonna see the light up here. There's gonna be a LED light that lights up right now. So right now we're gonna the first set.
Remember, when you put it in, to try to go all the way in. Never go halfway.
Oh,
see?
okay.
So you do mark
Okay.
always.
So all the time where you're putting the adapter in, make sure you mark it so it goes all the way in.
Yeah, if you guys can see the machine, if you don't fit it perfectly,
It has a slot where it fits. I put it in, and I'm gonna.
look at that. Nice. That was beautiful. It changed color when you're doing that. Now to release it, all you got to press it down. Let me show you guys this beautiful setup. If you guys can see, lineup was perfect. Look at that, and it marks it when it's completed. That's unheard of. That's how simple it is to actually set this up. This is beautiful. Now let's do the other end.
Let go.
Look at that. A very good safety thing that they have, if it doesn't feel the pipe in there, the system will not run. So make sure you buy the right fittings for this stuff to actually mark them. As you guys can see, it's cradle in there. And for the right pipe, this is a 3/4, but they have for every single pipe out there.
So one thing, the finished product is really sealed good. It clamps it really well. One thing, you don't have to worry about any flammable stuff, about any liquids or gas, anything like that, or that you could burn something, and it's a lot faster and better.